So after all the hard work, getting this tabletop stained and cleared, the water base peeled, I made a video about that, and I figured I would just make a little update. Pretty much had it done, which is frustrating, but started lifting on the edges, and then once the clear started peeling, also the water base stain started flaking right off as well. So I hit it with a pressure washer, try to knock off as much would come off, and now I'm resanding it, and I'm gonna go oil-based stain only, oil-based clear, and I'm gonna do it the only way I know. Kind of a shame because I like the color, but it's all right. We'll have it done, and I got to get this project finished so I can get the table up for sale. It's already up for sale. Honestly, no one's hit me up for it, but got to take it to a craft show this weekend, and hopefully we can make a sale out there. So yeah, just a little update. I'm sure some people like water-based products, but it's something that I never used. And here's some more of that flaking. But yep, got to get it all sanded down. Start from square one and go from there using the Makita sander with my custom sock. And we got just a 120 grit, and that seems to be lifting it. I don't want to gouge too hard with the 80 grit or the 60 grit, so I'm just gonna take my time, sand it all down, get a clean slate, and get ready for some staining. So thanks for watching. I've been posting a lot of videos, well, maybe not a lot of videos, but I've been doing my best to get the content out there. Recording with the camera, trying to make it look nicer. I'm still slow at editing and stuff like that, but subscribe if you want to support my journey. I like to make stuff, and just figured I'd throw the stuff up there that I'm working on. And right now I'm just recording this on my phone, and I just wanted to make a update video because I have a lot of shorts, but I feel like I need more videos. So farmhouse table, if you haven't seen the other video, check it out. It's the distressing, adding patina to the legs and the frame. Here's what it looks like right now. Not perfect, but I think it looks all right. I know it doesn't really look that patinaed, but up close it's got some scuffs and scratches. So we're gonna have that white frame with this dark top. This is an ebony stain with espresso water-based stain, so I'm gonna probably go ebony, and I'm probably gonna mix in like another color with it. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize the channel and hopefully develop the YouTube income, man, so I can keep doing this stuff, and hopefully develop like a community of artists and craftspeople, because this is what I love to do. Unfortunately, it doesn't always go my way, but that's it right there. Did I spell it right? You know, trying to be creative and such. Anyways, guys, I don't want to bore y'all, but I'm gonna get this sanding, and maybe I'll make another video once I get it sanded and do the stain process real quick. But this is how slow it's going.